Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to link Birdfy to Google Home. So guys, to link the Birdfy to the Google Home, first of all verify Birdfy setup. Ensure your Birdfy camera or feeder is already connected to your Wi-Fi and actively working in the Birdfy app. So open Google Home, launch the Google Home app on your iOS and the Android devices. And guys, add the services on plus icon. Then set up devices and work with the Google. After that, find the Birdfy and search for Birdfy in the list of the services. Then tap the Birdfy result and log in using the same credentials you use for Birdfy app. Then authorize the Google to access your account. Once linked, your Birdfy device will appear. You will be assign it to a specific room in your room and give it to the recognizable name. Okay, like backyard bird camera. After that, once connected, you can view your smart display by saving. Simply say, hey Google, show me the camera. Hey Google, stream the backyard camera. So guys, thank you.